Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my channel and welcome to Future Retro. With this channel, we're just going to be looking at fixing old cartridge-based video games and systems. And for my first cartridge up, I've got a real winner. I've got Hey You Pikachu for the N64. And by the looks of it, this thing's really been through the ringer. Let's see here. We've got a couple owners on there. We got an Erica, a Tony, an Alex, an Anthony, a Dennis. So yeah, if you guys are still out there watching this, this is for you. I can already hear, you can hear there's a little bit of loose stuff in there. Looks like the cartridge tabs are broke. Already seen a lot of rust. So let's open this up and investigate. So with the broken tabs, we're already going to be dealing with having to get a replacement cartridge, but luckily we've got a couple of those in stock. And this screw is pretty darn loose. So I suspect the pegs are broken in there. Alright, take off the shielding here. Oh. Okay, looks like the pegs broke on the shielding on that side. I got a broken piece of plastic right here. Alright, let's see here now. Oh boy. Alright, a lot of rust. Alright. Alright, and with that, the shielding is off. Okay. Lots of parts and pieces from that though. And as we can see, there's a ton of rust built up in there. Alright, we'll take the moisture guard off here. And the copper looks a little dirty. I verified earlier that this will not play anything. You just get a bunch of bars on the 64. I don't see anything right off the bat that indicates what the problem is. Maybe something right here on this outer trace here. Pull the multimeter out here and see if we can find anything. Alright, got my multimeter set to continuity. Alright, try to position that so you guys can see. Let's take a look here on this pin. Follows up to here. Nope, it tests good. Now we'll follow this one next. That one's good. That one's good as well. These are the ground pins. Let's start on another ground here. That one's good. That one's good as well. So it's possible we may just need to clean these copper traces up. Those are grounds. That's another good one. Another good one. That one's good. That one's good as well. Okay, all those on the back look good. Now, let's go over here to the front here real quick and just see if all this traces out okay. I'm getting a reading, but I'm getting a ton of resistance on that. which is not great. Let's see here. I'm wondering it's possible right up in here if we maybe have something going on in this section here. Got nothing on that one either. Oh, okay. So this one good. This one right here is testing okay. Let's try the next one. All right. Got another one that's testing out okay, so that's good. Another one good. That one's good as well. That one's good up there. The resistance is a little high though. No, it's down now. Okay. There's another one here. Looks like there might be some problems. Getting a pretty high resistance reading on there. So it looks like we've got possibly 3 that are problematic. Maybe 4. Yep, that one's good. Alright, that one's good. Got a little bit of resistance and it cleared. Alright, that one's not going. And we're getting down to the end. It's possible that we just need to reflow the pins on this main board here. And this chip right here actually should be the main board on the chip that actually where the ROM is stored. And those are grounds, so those are registering on there. And okay. Okay, well, let's try and clean this up a little bit here, and then we'll use a fiberglass pencil and see if we can clean those traces up, and some rubbing alcohol here, and see if that makes a difference or not. Alright, looks pretty good there. Now we'll take the fiberglass pencil here and we'll just kind of clean these traces up a bit here. And you don't want to go too hard because you'll really peel back that copper. Alright, those look pretty good right there. Now, if you don't have a fiberglass pencil, you can always use an eraser as well, too, just off a pencil. But the main thing is making sure that you clean it back off again with some rubbing alcohol. All right, traces are all clean. And let's see if that changed any of our resistance now on our first couple of ones there. Oh, there we go, look at that. Okay, this third trace right here that we're on, not actually the third trace in, but this third one here is still not giving us any continuity. I don't see anything in there that would prevent that from working. Let's flip it over here and see if we can figure out where the trace is going. We should probably count here. Let's figure out where this trace is going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this trace is going all the way here, around, up. It looks like it's going to 2 spots here. And that's possible why it wasn't testing, is it looks like they're splitting the connection here, so the continuity is split. And I apologize if any of the terminology is wrong. A lot of this stuff I'm just self-taught on. Had some downtime when I had a pretty nasty bout with COVID, so this was kind of what I did in my downtime. Alright, well, I think that this might actually be enough to get this going, so I don't think any soldering is going to be required. So let's pull out our donor cartridge and let's see if this actually works. Fortunately or unfortunately, I always keep the sports games around for donor boards and actual donor cases. So John Madden here is not going to get to stay in this case for very long. And this actually might be the same board revision as Hey You Pikachu here. We'll find out here in a minute. And they are different board revisions. This is a NUS 01A-2 and the Hey You Pikachu is a NUS 01A-3. But we can still remove it and use all the parts. if this does work, the next step will obviously be to order a reproduction sticker and remove the John Madden logo off of here. So I was really hoping to give a more exciting video on this first video here. I was hoping to get something with some traces to fix or something, or something we'd have to jump a donor board over to. But that'll just mean you gotta like, subscribe, and wait for the next video, because we've got quite a stack here. We're bound to run into something really nasty. Alright, let's fire it up. Hey, it looks like we might be in business. Alright. Hey, alright, there it is. So, looks like we were successfully able to fix this. Just really dirty contacts on there, and obviously the plastic itself was shot. So got a new John Madden 99 cartridge for it. We'll just have to re-sticker it, and able to save another N64 game. So thanks everyone for watching. You know, like, subscribe. I plan on having these videos up pretty regular, and hopefully my equipment gets better, and I get a little bit better at this each time. So we'll see you all again. Thanks. Hey everyone, and you thought the video was over, but it's not. I really didn't feel right not leaving it finished, so I hurried and ordered a reproduction sticker. So in this final part of the video, we're going to finish this cartridge. So I generally start out with 99% rubbing alcohol, and that helps make the glue break down on the sticker and allows us to remove the old stickers. I also use a razor blade to kind of start working that sticker up, and it does take a little bit of time to get that, you know, all that stuff removed. So I'm going to speed this video up, and it's going to look like I'm really quick at doing this. Alright, with a clean cartridge, it's now time to put the sticker on. And we have to do this pretty carefully because obviously we only have one attempt, and any subsequent attempts could either not stick right, or maybe I could rip the sticker. So we're going to see if I can do this on my first attempt. And trust me, I'm as nervous as you are right now. So here we go. And it's looking good so far. Alright, got the base set, and time to just push it up through here, and it looks like we're good to go. Alright, we've now officially completed our cartridge restoration, and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Have a great day.